Oh my gosh, guys, what's this?
Dude, this is so cool.
What is it?
They sell milk and cheese.
You can sell raw
And
milk
eggs,
in
raw.
Pennsylvania now.
Really?
No, you don't.
So you just put your name in
I
your
think
money?
you need a little bit of permits. Maybe it's really easy to get.
What does it cost?
$3.50 a gallon.
$3.50 a gallon.
Honey, you go find some change or something.
I got some
maybe
change.
once. Yeah.
Hey, look in here. Cows. Can we open the door? Can we open the door? Here, we'll get a peek inside it real quick.
Well, what would?
Moo.
Look at all these cows, ladies and gents. Oh my gosh.
Did you never see it?
Are you scared of the cows?
No. Oh.
You're scared.
Yeah. This is how to get their water right here.
Oh God. Cool. Man, what are they doing? They're trying to get up or something.
Yeah. See, they have a mattress. They sleep on a mattress.
Look at their toes. Oh my gosh. I thought they had like real hooks. Like a,
Yeah.
He don't know cows really well. He just learned that milk actually comes from a cow.
it's not true. It's so not true. Oh.
No, look at it. She's all right.
Oh, cool. Very clean, actually. Very clean.
This here, you hook this up onto the cow. Teat's stuck in there.
Is there always only 4 tits or?
Sometimes they have a dry one. I might only have 3 or something.
Yep.
Wow. So where's the milk getting filled up?
They swing their pipe over.
Milk comes in through this pipeline from the barn.
Uh-huh.
And it comes in here, and then this here pumps it through. Right here's a filter. Filters it out. This is a plate cooler. There's water going through there to pre-cool the milk before it goes into the milk tank, and there's where the milk is stored.
Cool. So when it comes in, do they still have you can make butter off the top?
The cream.
Uh-huh.
No, we don't do that
Why is that?
because it's I guess too much work for us.
That's a whole other pasteurization and all that.
So a truck comes in and comes to here, and
He
then
comes every other day. We fill that thing.
He hooks the hose right up here. He hooks the hose right up here. Turns that valve and pumps it into the truck.
cool. So he comes in with he backs in here somewhere, I guess, and cool. So was it like a monthly pay, or is it weekly pay, or how does that work?
Monthly.
Monthly. Cool. How do you build a relationship? Is it a relationship you've already had, or
With the milk company.
right? Is it deans or is it like
DFA.
DFA. What's
Dairy
that?
Farmers of America.
See what you're playing, dude. See, Montez, this is silage right here. This is chopped up corn, fermented corn, and they have the grain and everything right in there. It's a total mixed ration, and they dump it out for them in the morning and the evening every time before they milk or after. Come right through there with a cart.